given in quantity per days or hour. When we have the productivity in the form of days per quantity, then we will just multiply the productivity by a quantity given. Whenever the productivity is given in quantities per day or hour, then we will divide the quantity by the productivity to get the duration. So formulas are here. For example, I have put it an examples of the above formulas of the above scenarios. For example, we have a block masonry works with a quantity of this square meter at 7 square meter, and I have a crew is nothing but a group of people, but a group of manpower that is deployed for a specific task on your site, on your workplace. Uh, and a crew have a crew of one block workmason plus one labor. This is a crew. This is, we can say that this is a crew which is deployed for this for performing this quantity of brick masonry, block masonry, which can perform a block masonry of 15 square meter per day. This is the productivity. Now we have a productivity over here, 15 square meter per day. So what does it mean is the unit per day. In case of unit per day, in case of unit per day, what we will do is we will divide the quantity divided by productivity to get the durations. So here, so to find the productivity from the above case, what we will do is the duration will be equal to duration is here it is repeated twice, so uh, we will remove the one duration. Duration will be equal to quantity divided by productivity. So you can see we have used the second one formula, as we have given the productivity in terms of quantity per day or per hours. So duration will be nothing but quantity divided by productivity. Quantity divided by productivity. So we will divide at 7 divided by 15. We will get 54 days. Now this 54 days is this 54 days. Now one number of crew. If let's suppose we have one number of crew which is working on our side, then for this one number of crew, they will utilize this quantity of the block masonry in just 54 days, on only and only on a single number of crew. Now, if we increase the number of crew, then we will get the duration shifts accordingly. So it will take 54 days to perform this activity with a single crew. Now, if you obviously insides we have multiple number of crews because there might be a huge quantity of work to perform. Uh, so uh, uh, so it will take 54 days to perform this activity with the single crew. Now it is mentioned here with the single crew. This durations will be consumed by a single crew. Now, if we have five different crews engaged in a site, engaged at a site, now it will take 54 divided by 5. Now we will get 10.8 or 11 days with the if we just engage five different number of crew. One crew is consist of one block work mason plus one labor. This is a single crew. Now if we engage if we engage a group of five people, a group of five crews. Now they will work on this much block work quantity, and they will finish this much quantity in just 10.8 or 11 days. So this is how we will calculate the duration using productivity. Now, second example is based on the second scenario. Now, for example, if you have a shuttering quantity of 100 square meter with the standard productivity. Now productivity is given like days per quantity in this case, for 0.45 days per square meter. Now let's suppose Now let's suppose we have a crew of one carpenter and plus one general labor. So what they are performing, they are working for 1 day, and they are working for point 5 4 days and performing per square meter, performing single square meter in this 0.45 days. So we are given the productivity and now in this unit format. Now to calculate the relationship, what we will do is, obviously if productivity is given in the form of days, per square meter, means day per unit. Now we will use the durations to calculate the durations. What we will do is quantity multiply by productivity. The first scenario, this one. We will use this formula to calculate the duration. Quantity into productivity, days or hours per quantity. So the duration will be nothing but quantity multiplied by this, because this specific group of person is performing 0.45 days. Uh, uh, it is utilizing it can work on 1 square meter in just 0.45 days. So what will be the duration for this 100 square meter? The duration for this will be nothing but this quantity multiplied by the standard norm or the standard coefficient, which is given 0.45 days per square meter. So we'll get 45 days. So this will take 45 days per single crew of the carpenter and general labor. This is just for the single crew. Just note it down. This is only for the single crew. Now let's suppose if you are engaging yeah, five crews. So what will be the duration? Just for divide the 45 divided by 5, so we will get 9 days. 9 days. So this is how we are calculating, how we can calculate the durations from the given productivities. We have discussed from the very beginning that what is productivity, what